Microsoft has added a new option in Windows 11 when you right-click on the network icon. It's called Perform Speed Test, but it's not a feature. It's actually a Bing search shortcut that's predefined. When you click on it, it actually opens your default web browser where it does the Bing search. Now, to me, this is kind of funny because this is actually not a feature. Okay, I would prefer when we click on that option, open a window within the operating system where we can perform this speed test instead of this. Because again, that feature is just literally this link. Okay, every time you click on it, it will open a default web browser and do a Bing search, internet speed test. And here you can actually run the internet speed test. And it looks like they're using Ookla speed test to do a internet speed test. If we click on this link, speed test, it will open a new website. And at the top, you can see there is speedtest.net from code Bing traffic. Is this another Microsoft's tactic to bring more traffic to the Bing? Now, if we do the same exact search on Google, internet speed test, yeah, Google also has its own speed test thingy. We can run the speed test and it does the speed test, but there is a difference in between these two speed tests. One of them is using Ookla speed test, one of the well-known, most popular internet speed test service. And Google is actually using a measurement lab. It's a non-profit open source project. That means your data is safe, I guess, when you do the speed test. On the other hand, it looks like it's a partnership between the Ookla and Microsoft. So technically, we don't need this shortcut in Windows 11. We can do that simply by doing a Google search or even Bing search. Let's actually open a Microsoft Edge and let's do the same Bing search. Same thing will pop up. Again, this thing is just basically a Bing search shortcut instead of feature. It's not a feature. Again, I would love to have this as a feature where it actually opens a small window within the operating system and then we can run the speed test. I don't know how many of you guys know this. When you do a speed test, it actually, benchmarks your internet speed. So let's say you had 100 megabytes per second internet speed. Let's say for download, and for upload it's 50 megabytes. When you do a internet speed test and you don't get that exact benchmark results, the 100 megabytes, let's say you get only 80, 70, that means you have a problem with your internet and you need to talk to your ISP. I think most of us actually already know about this. If you didn't, then go and do a internet speed test right now and make sure you're connected through the Ethernet. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.